Magandang araw Kabola, sa video nito may pa-follow up lang po tayo ng trade rumor pagdating nga po dito Kabola sa Blackwater Elite na draftee, the number 2 pick, Christian David. And then we will talk about one game result Kabola sa video na ito. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. But before we go there, usapang comments muna tayo. Pa-shoutout daw po itong si Ronald Barbusidad at sana makapaglaro na si Kent Dato mamaya, sabi nitong isa. Kabola, naglaro na nga po si Kent Dato o si Kit Dato Kabola, and the rookie is very impressive and of course very controversial, no? Yung ilang games din po siyang nawala, pero ayun, mukhang ayos na, and the guy is looking like the real deal Kabola. Pwede kang pag talagang natuloy-tuloy niya ito at mag-improve pa siya, pwede natin makonclude in the span of the next 2 years, 3 years na mas worth it siya sana ng number 1 pick kaysa kay Stephen Holt. Now, yung game result na pag-uusapan natin is wala na pong iba kundi itong panalo po ng Northport Batang Pier kontra sa San Miguel Beerman. First, of course, yung panalo pa lang nila, that's already a big deal, knowing nga po na alam naman natin kung ano po ang rumored na relasyon ng Northport dito nga po sa San Miguel Corporation Kabola. Pero the another important thing about this win by Northport is that yung kanila pong import dito, yung monster na si Joyce, hindi po available kasi nagpapagaling po sa kanyang mga injury Kabola. So this is a big loss by San Miguel Beerman. And of course, ang pinaka naging komento po ng maraming fans nang nakita po nila itong resulta na ito is wala na pong iba kundi sa talaga sa Pajardo, itong si San Miguel Beerman. And of course, hindi naman yun nakakagulat na ganyan po ang komento nila Kabola, kasi nga po nung nawala si Pajardo, bigla sila natalo ng ganito. Now looking at the numbers Kabola, ang siguro dapat manggigil ka talaga ng fans ka ng San Miguel is that bakit po nanalo sa rebounding battle ang Northport, knowing na nasa inyo yung top 2 biggest player dito sa game nito. Of course, ang kanilang import na si Aska at saka si Motaw Tua Kabola. So bakit nyo binigay, di ba? Paano nangyari? Nasa yung effort? Although of course marami rin naman po injury dito nga po sa San Miguel Beerman. And before we go, of course, we need to praise din Coach Bonitan. Coach Bonitan, pangit yung naging first tournament niya with Northport, pero ayun, pinapakita niya kung galing talaga siya kagaling. Kabangis na coach. Remember, he won 3 championship with Letran, and suddenly, naumali siya ng Letran, di ba? Biglang, sila na po yung worst team sa NCAA. Ganon katindi itong si Coach Bonitan, at pinapakita niya yan ngayon, Kabola, especially in this victory against the San Miguel Beerman Kabola. Now, of course, malamang narinig naman natin yung rumor of a trade or of a trade target ng TNT, yung dalawang batang player po ng Blackwater. Isa doon, ang number 2 pick ng most recent draft na si Christian David. So in this video, let's talk about the farm team trade, realistic trade, and the fair trade that we can expect. The farm team trade could be a Matt Tolomia and a first round pick for David. Pero of course, tayo pa rin umaasa na mapapatunayan na totoo yung mga sinasabi po ni na Coach Jeff and even the management this offseason Kabola, na sila po ay magseseryoso na in a way, or they will try to win Kabola. Pero kung maging lopsided or farm team trade Kabola, expect them to use a free agency signing like Tolomia and then a first round pick to sweeten up to get po Christian David. The realistic deal could be JD Tungungkab and Glenn Cabuntin for Christian David. Kumbaga, isang useful player in Cabuntin, di ba? He break out po under TNT. Talaga naman maganda yung mga numero pinapakita niya ngayon Kabola. Parang David din kasi yung position niya. Then Tungkab, of course, the young player na kaposition din na Wayne David Kabola. Pinagsama mo yan, trade mo kay David, and David is of course not putting up numbers currently Kabola to build up the hype. And then the fair trade for me will be Kib Montalvo and a first round pick for David. Yeah, I know, maraming haters po si Montalvo, pero hate him or love him Kabola, Kib is still a starting caliber guard Kabola, and getting a starting caliber and a first round pick for me for David, who is also not showing that much in his rookie season, is a fair trade. Kapag Kabola, sa palagay mo mangyari ng trade, comment lang po sa baba.